Welcome! In this tutorial, we will explore how to rename a video in Google Drive on your PC following the latest updates. Renaming files is a simple yet essential skill that helps keep your drive organized and makes it easier to find what you need. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is where all your files are stored in Google Drive. Once you're on the site, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now that you're in Google Drive, locate the video you want to rename. You can do this by browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you find the video file, hover over it with your mouse. You will see 3 vertical dots appear next to the file name. Click on these dots to open a menu of options. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Rename. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter a new name for your video. Here, you can type in whatever name you prefer. Just make sure it's descriptive enough for easy identification later. After entering the new name, click the OK button to save your changes. And just like that, your video has been renamed. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your file organization and make it easier to locate videos when needed. Remember, keeping your files well organized not only saves time, but also boosts productivity. If you frequently upload videos or other media, consider developing a consistent naming convention that works for you. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to rename a video in Google Drive on your PC with just a few simple steps. Now go ahead and tidy up your drive for better management of your files. Thank you for watching.